the UV-5R, a $20-something solution to off-road communication. Hi, I'm Alan from Borderline Explorer, and today we're going to be reviewing the Baofeng UV-5R. The UV-5R, the ham radio that everybody has. $20 to $25 on Amazon can get you happy on ham, but should you? FCC hates on it, ham guys hate on it. Shoot, even I hate on this radio. But why? Why is it so controversial, and why does everybody have one? Are you thinking about adding it to your kit? Or maybe you already have one? Let me know your Baofeng stories in the comments below. Now, it might be tempting to just punch in some frequencies and start transmitting, but know that you might be breaking some laws set by the FCC. For FRS and GMRS frequencies, does this radio transmit at too high of a power? Looks like 5 watts. And at ham frequencies, are you licensed to transmit? Some things to think about buying this Baofeng. Pretty easy to break some laws. So now you know why the FCC hates on it. Why do the ham guys hate on it? Well, we already went over one of the reasons why the ham crowd hates on this radio. And that's because it's like 20 to 25 bucks. That means a lot of people are buying these Baofeng radios and just transmitting illegally on ham frequencies. So just get licensed. The test is really easy and it's not that expensive. Another reason why ham guys hate on this radio is the build quality. They say the durability of this Baofeng and other Chinese radios are junk. And that's where we agree. Now it's my turn to hate on it. My very first Baofeng was a $70 one, and it crapped out on me on the first day in the field. We were in Joshua Tree and I couldn't transmit or receive any messages. And it kinda sucked. So that radio, as soon as I got back home, was quickly put back in its box and returned. So why do I recommend you buy one? Why do I have one right here? In our camping and off-road group, 9 out of 10 people have a Baofeng. And it's not the expensive one, it's not the high-end one. It's this one, the $20 to $25 one. Some of them have the accessories like the larger battery pack, or even the mic. Everyone either has it as a backup like us, or they have it as their main handheld unit. It's cheap, and if anything, it's insurance if your A radio craps out. And when you're in the backcountry, it's good to have both the mobile unit and the handheld unit. Sometimes you just want to get out of your car and go take a look at the obstacle on foot and let everyone know what the obstacle's about. Other times you might be spotting and you just want to have some vocal communication. Or maybe your friend's radio craps out, or they forgot to bring their radio. In that case, you don't give them the good radio, you give them the Baofeng. Alright, let's run through the radio. The interface is so-so. Play with it for a day or two and you will be a pro, as long as you know ham basics, which you should, because you have your ham license, right? The range on this thing is surprisingly good. And you shouldn't have any issues traveling and communicating with your caravan. The user manuals on these Chinese radios are usually crap, but this one's actually so-so. Because so many people have this radio, if you run into a problem, I wouldn't actually bother using the user manual. I just search the internet for a quick answer. My durability score for this radio is a 1 out of 5, because this is my review and my experience. But my friends, they've been using it for years. And unfortunately, every company sells defects. It's just the nature of manufacturing. It transmits and receives somewhat clear. There are some accessories for this Baofeng, like the antenna. You can replace it to get better range. You can extend your battery pack, and you can even permanently mount this in your vehicle and get one of those push-to-talk mics. And after you get all those accessories bundled together, with the price of this radio, you're looking at about half the price of a normal handheld ham radio by a name brand like ICOM or Yaesu. So you're getting a lot of radio for a small price. And in terms of value, that's stars and stars and stars of value. If you're an off-road geek or just enjoy all things overland, consider subscribing. We like to go on trips, review products, and we have a small community building. Buy it because it's cheap insurance, buy it because your friend doesn't have one, and lastly, buy the UV-5R because it's cheap and functional, not because it's a good radio. Do I hate on Baofeng? All the time. But do I still own one? Yes, and you should consider getting one too. I'll leave a link in the description. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.